everyone. On this channel, I create simulation videos using Unity and Blender. Today, I'm going to create a realistic bruise correction needle in Blender. I've changed my body a little bit starting today. That might keep changing in the future. But to be clear, it's only me talking. I'm a human, not an AI. Sorry if it's hard to hear. For this video, I prepared an object that has already been traced. I also had a similar video of our shot, so check that out if you're interested. What you're looking at right now is a needle object. The shape is done, but the tip is rounded and the bottom is closed off. So to make it more realistic, I'm going to remove the tip and the bottom cap. First, we need to convert the needle into a mesh. This part here is the mesh. By doing this, we can cut the needle tip at an angle to make it sharp. I'll go ahead and cut it by our knife, just like shown here. First, go into edit mode and press K to select the knife tool. Connect the bad city event and press enter when you're ready. However, the opposite side is not cut. So press K and then C. This allows you to cut through both sides. Now we'll just delete the extra parts. Hold Ctrl to select the multiple vertices and delete them all at once. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl plus Z to undo. Now the tip is nice and sharp. The inside of the tip has thickness, so let is a modifier to add it. The thickness is there, but the surface looks a bit jagged. Let's find out why and try to fix it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.